Hi, I'm Ines Miller. I'm the Vice President of the Temecula Valley Art League, a nonprofit organization founded for the arts and the awareness of the visual arts in our community. I want to talk to you today about the opportunity that we have to donate few cents here and there without no extra cost to you by the program of Amazon Smile. Smile.amazon.com is a program individually from the Amazon.com site that it focuses on helping nonprofit organizations. So if you are not aware of it, I want to walk you through, and hopefully when you're doing your holiday purchases or any purchases through the year, you think about Temecula Valley Art League as your nonprofit organization of choice and sign them up. And that way, when you purchase something, there is no extra cost to you, but a few cents of some particular items are donated to the Art League, and any little bit helps. Like right now, in as November 2021, so we have $8.38, which it is greatly appreciated for those who have used. They also give you other numbers of other nonprofit organizations that they have given and participated in this program. Okay, so I'm here at my desktop, and pardon me for the mess, but I'm going to stretch this window so you get to see what I'm doing in here. So when you go to your browser, this is the website. I'm gonna just delete this extra information. And this is how it looks pretty much. You sign in. Want to make sure, one thing that you have to make sure is smile.amazon.com here in your browser, and you select in here the nonprofit organizations of your choice. Temecula Valley Art League is a registered nonprofit organization, so you are going to be able to find it in there. Your current charity, and if you is right now Temecula Valley Art League. So this is pretty much your desktop. This is how you know that you are on the right side. So every purchase will count. If you are in the regular side of the Amazon.com, you won't be able to choose your nonprofit organization from there. So right now, this is my charity of choice, but there is a whole bunch of them. So you just search or pick out your own charity, the organization. When you click on that side, it comes to the search box in here. So if you put Temecula Valley Art League and then do your research, you should be able to find us. Is the Temecula Valley Art League. We are located in Temecula, and then you just select. I'm right there right now. The location, want to make sure that it's in the Temecula. We're in the Temecula area, and we appreciate all your support. So this is, like I said, this is at no extra charge to you, but it does help the nonprofit organization, the Art League, to help us send the programs that we have around through the year to bring the arts to our community. Thank you so much on behalf of the board and myself, and happy holidays.